Explorer will be
Yes.
there. Whatever you want to see, the users are mostly like to see the details in Internet Explorer. They don't separately log in into the SAP. They don't want to click on the SAP icon. They don't want to log on into the SAP, and then they don't want to see the details. Whenever they click on some Internet Explorer link,
Okay,
okay,
sir.
requirement is there.
Yes.
Previously, what is there in Java and other things?
Yes, sir.
So this web-enabled services are available.
Okay, sir.
But in SAP, web-enabled services are not available previously. Now, then what SAP has done to come over from this disadvantage? SAP slowly moved towards the object-oriented programming. That
Okay, sir.
means OOPS programming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so there are some applications now built. Actually, there is something called WebDyn Pro. You might have heard about a WebDyn Pro, correct?
Yes.
WebDyn Pro is something like to build the HTML screens using SAP data, which is completely based on object-oriented programming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now in OOPS ABAP, here we will not see how to create a screen in the Internet Explorer using HTML version, but here we will learn the different concepts of OOPS ABAP. When you learn WebDyn Pro, you will learn how to create a screen and present it as a URL link. But we are not going to discuss about the WebDyn Pro. We are only discussing about the OOPS ABAP, the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. So, what are the different concepts available in object-oriented programming? First one is inheritance. Second one is polymorphism. Third one, abstraction. And fourth one, encapsulation. So these are the four major concepts, oriented programming. So any idea inheritance means?
Inheritance means it's with basic
Generally
concepts.
assume in our real-time scenario. Yeah,
With basic concepts.
inheritance means,
So means from
yeah,
the
these are
fund.
the basic concepts. Okay. Now say for example, a father is there.
Yes, sir.
A father has some 2 crores property he has.
Yes.
Okay. After after that, what will happen? The 2 crores property will go to his son.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The
Yes.
property of father will go to the son. This is called inheritance. That
Yes, sir.
means the properties of parent class here in our programming, if you want to compare with our program, the properties of the parent class will come to the child class.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, child class. So now there are 3 types of inheritances are available. If you take the inheritance, there are 3 types of inheritances are available. The first one is single inheritance. Inheritance. Okay. So there are 3 types of inheritances are available. What is a single inheritance? Single inheritance means father property will go to the son. The son property will go to the grandson.
Yes, sir.
But grandfather property will not come to me.
Okay.
What I'm saying is,
Only single step.
yeah, only single step. So assume that this is class 1, class 2 and class 3. 3 classes are there. This is class C1 or some parent class which has a child class C2. C2 has a child's class C3. Okay, now the properties of C1 will come to C2, but properties of C1 will not come to C3. This
Set.
is called level inheritance will come. Next one is multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance means mm, I can tell you like this. There are three classes: C1, C2, C3, and the properties and these have there is another class C4. C4 will get some properties from C1, some properties from C2, and some properties from C3. This is just like a hybrid. Yeah. So this is
Okay.
called multiple. That means one child can have more than one parent class.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So for example, I will say if somebody asks you to say the real time example on this, you say that one tomato plant is there. The tomato plant has good size. There
Yes.
is
Sir.
one kind of tomato plant which has a good size, but color is not very much good, but taste also not very much good. Second color, but size is very small. And third kind of tomato plant has very good taste. What you can do? You can take all these three properties and you can create a class so that the class has very good hybrid kind of.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So this is what this called. This is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not possible in ABAP. This kind of inheritance is not possible in ABAP. Maybe this inheritance is possible in Java and other kind of languages, but in ABAP it's not possible. Next one is inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means something like opposite to the single inheritance. Say for example, my grandfather properties will also come to me. Level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance, these both are not possible in ABAP. Only single inheritance is possible in ABAP. Only single is possible. Remaining types of inheritance is not possible. Now the next concept is the polymorphism. What is this polymorphism? Poly means
Multi.
poly means many,
Many.
many. Yeah, multi. Correct. Morphism means
Changes.
behavior,
Behavior.
behavior. Okay, fine. So yeah, are changes. Say for example, if I am there in class, I'll behave something like some way. If I'm along with my friends, I'll behave something like some other way.
Yes.
Change my behavior based on my location.
Location.
Everybody will do that. If you
Yes.
are there in a